the carousel with my boy. He's just bigger than me.
Just a bit of Texie dust. Woohoo! I got him to ride it with me. Round and round we go. Woohoo! Wow, this is kind of going on for a while.
He's having a little problem on the little horse because he's a big guy. Yep. Me too, because I don't even do it when I go to Disney World. I skip it all the time. Yeah. There's so many seats on it. That's a long paradigm. This is a nice ride. Oh, we're starting to slow down. Maybe. Maybe not. This is a full carousel. There's a bear up there. Look at that bear.
Welcome back, riders. Please remain seated until you've heard our final safety bell.
Hi.
Once again, please remain seated until you've heard our final safety bell.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!